Greetings everybody, this is Thor with the UTVSuperstore.com. Those of you who have Kawasaki Ridges know what it's like to have pressure in your fuel cap and fuel smell inside the cab. Well, I found out a way to alleviate this issue completely. We first came out with a rollover valve, which worked very well with most of the units in mild temperatures. Well, up here in Arizona in warmer climates, we need a better fix. This is the culprit right here. This is the factory rollover valve. It's defective. It just doesn't work right. It causes pressure in the system, so when you take your cap off, your cap pops off. Plus, they route this part of the fuel line into the frame, which causes fuel smell inside the cab. With our kit, it's going to come with a splicer. It's going to come with a new rollover valve with a bracket, and you're simply going to open up your access area right here. 2 clips, 1 screw. You'll gain access to this booger here. You'll take it off and install the new pieces. Let's get started on it right now. So once you open your door, you're going to have access to 2 of these clips right here and a screw. That will open up access to the factory rollover valve, which I've already pulled out. Now this rollover valve, for some reason, the lower part goes into the frame, which is what's causing the smell issue inside the rig. Also, this rollover valve is faulty. So whenever you open up your fuel cap, as it's called, you'll get tons of pressure popping it out. So we're going to remove this. We're going to install a splicer, which is this guy right here, with a couple of these tighteners. And then we're going to take the fuel line that also comes with the kit, and we're going to run it back towards the back of the unit. So here's the fuel line right here. It's going to be a lot easier to do the work on this side here. I'll add the splicer, then I'll add the extra fuel line, and we'll proceed to the next step. So we've installed the splicer. We've installed the new fuel line. I've run it along here. This is our new rollover valve and mounting bracket. I think I'm going to install it right here so it's nice, secure, out of the way. And now we are pointing the fuel away from the cab and not inside the cab. So I drilled a little pilot hole here. I'm going to install this bracket. It's nice and out of the way. Next, I'll install the rollover valve, the clamp, and the hose in this position here, and we should be good to go. Let me get started on that. So I've installed the clamp onto the hose. Lower part of the fuel valve will now slide through here. Next, we'll take this heavy-duty washer, put it there. Next, we have our little rubber grommet. We'll put it here. And last but not least will be our new fuel vent. So let's just adjust it accordingly so we have it facing more towards the back. Look at that. So there we have our new vent installed, out of the way, away from the side-by-side, away from the inner part of the frame. That should solve the issue. Any questions, you can give us a call, 815-321-3888, or send us an email to the ATVSuperstore@gmail.com. Thanks for watching our video and have a wonderful day.